Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Dahi Overnight updated. Heat your milk gently to a warm 40 degrees C, cool slightly if needed, then stir in 2 tablespoons of plain Dahi as a starter. Pour into a clean container, cover it, and keep it in a warm spot undisturbed overnight to set. In the morning, refrigerate for an hour to firm up the texture and enjoy fresh homemade Dahi. Use a reliable starter like 2 tablespoons of good plain Dahi from a previous batch or store-bought yogurt. Keep the container in a consistently warm place, such as an oven with the light on or a warm countertop, to promote even fermentation. Minimize movement and avoid opening the lid while it sets to prevent uneven texture. After it firms up, chill briefly to enhance flavor and texture before serving with your favorite dishes. If your Dahi is too loose, try incubating a bit longer in a slightly warmer spot until it firms. A very sour flavor means it fermented too long or the starter was too active, so shorten the time next batch. If whey separates, whisk gently to recombine and then chill to stabilize the texture. Small adjustments to temperature and starter amount will quickly improve results for consistently creamy Dahi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.